Welcome back to the TradeFX Club. This is where real traders sharpen their edge. Let's be blunt. A losing streak isn't just a dent in your equity curve, it's a direct assault on your psychological capital. And if you're not recovering correctly, you're not just bleeding capital, you're eroding the very discipline that makes you an expert. This isn't about pep talks or simple risk reductions. This is about the strategic, unemotional recalibration required to turn a drawdown into a data point, not a disaster. Listen up. A true losing streak for an expert signals a break in your edge or a shift in market structure that your model hasn't adapted to. Your first action isn't trading, it's a full forensic audit. Isolate every loss. Map them against your journal. Are stops being hit by noise or by a genuine invalidation of your thesis? This phase is diagnostic, not defensive. You're looking for a pattern. Are you forcing trades in suboptimal conditions, or has the market's volatility regime changed, rendering your position sizing ineffective? The goal is to pinpoint whether this is statistical noise within a robust system or a fundamental flaw in your approach. Once diagnosed, the recovery is surgical. If it's noise, you hold firm. Adherence to a proven expectancy-positive system is non-negotiable. The mental recovery here is about embracing the mathematical certainty of drawdowns. Reduce size not out of fear, but as a tactical maneuver to lower volatility of returns while you rebuild confidence. It resets your psychological P&L. If the audit reveals a flawed edge, you must have the humility to step off the field. Go into observer mode. Backtest the recent price action. Recalibrate your parameters, your indicators, your triggers, your risk per trade. This isn't a failure. It's a mandatory system update. The final and most critical phase is the phased reentry. You do not jump back in at full tilt. You execute a series of probe trades with reduced size, treating them as live market tests of your adjusted thesis. Each trade is now about validating the fix, not the payout. Your metric for success shifts from profit to process conformity. This disciplined, phased approach systematically rebuilds both account equity and, more importantly, trader conviction. A losing streak mastered in this way doesn't weaken you, it hardens your process and deepens your respect for market randomness and system integrity. If this recalibration strategy hit home, then your next step is to smash that like button. It fuels the algorithm to push this content to other traders who need this rigor. Subscribe and hit the notification bell because in the TradeFX Club, we don't just follow the market, we dissect it. Drop a comment below detailing one key takeaway from your last losing streak audit. Let's see who's really doing the work. Until next time, trade disciplined.